Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into device settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose passwords and security. Then click on face unlock and enter your current login method. Now you need to read the disclaimer and tap on next after 5 seconds. Then remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the shown instructions. Over here you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some nonsense and click on your keyboard at the bottom right corner. Then choose done, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!